In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can place an order on AliExpress without paying. So if you want to wait for the seller to reduce the price, like for a discount, then this trick is really working. I tried it multiple times. Now to do that, guys, to place an order without paying, this is very easy and quick. Now just select the product that you want to buy, click buy now, and then after that, what you want to do, guys, next where it says here select payment method, you want to select payment method, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on add a new card, and you just have to enter random cards that you are going to use always. Okay, you are not going to add here always, like you are not going to do that every single time you want to buy something, just one time. If you don't know, guys, the card number, if you can just copy the card numbers that I have come up with. Now this is the number. I'm going to add these numbers in the description. Like the card number is this one, the month is 1, okay, month is 1 January, the year is 49, okay, 2049. Okay, this is it. Now we just want to select this exact information. As you can see, type this exact information for like one time. The card holder name, put here your name, doesn't matter what name, and then CVV, you want to put these 3 numbers, copy, and then paste them here. And like I said, this information will be in the description. Just click save and confirm, and then you want to click on pay now. Now we have successfully placed the order. If you go back to that, you can find the item. It says here pay now, so it's just like we can pay it after the seller reduces the price, or after we made the decision to pay for this. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.